Hi guys, it's James here at Bath Detailing UK and we're looking today at a wheel maintenance tutorial. So I'll provide the list of the equipment and the products that I've used in this video, which you can see on the screen now. So if you're looking at getting some of them, you've obviously got a list here, which is nice and easy. So yeah, let's get into it. So first we're going to look at the subject material, which is a lightly soiled wheel. It's only been cleaned, a couple of weeks ago, but there's enough dirt on there. So got to fill your bucket up first, put your accessories in there using G-Technic G-Wash as I said. So first we're going to go ahead with the Finesse Citrus Power as a pre-cleaner. This will sort of loosen up any dirt which is on the surface. Going to let that dwell for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to go straight in and obviously rinse that off. So now we've got a surface to work with. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead with the Valet Pro pH neutral snow foam. I'm going to lay that down. Obviously I'm going to do the wheel first, and I'm going to lay that down all the way across the car as well. So we're going to let that dwell, as you can see. Nice little snow foam shot. I'm going to then go ahead and rinse that off. Rinse again, rinsing the arches, make sure you get rid of any dirt which is on the surface. You'll be able to probably see the dirt come off in the foam. So next we're going to have a look at the products we're going to use, which I've listed sort of at the start of the video. So you've got a couple of them there. So first we're going to prime the surface with the dedicated wheel cleaner. Obviously I'm using the wheel cleaner and not fallout remover. It's quite a common thing where people use a fallout remover as a wheel cleaner. Obviously that should only be used when needed. I'll sort of use that every couple of months. So first we're going to use a stiff bristle brush to clean the tyre off, remove any contaminants from there, any dirt which will need to be cleaned later for when we apply the tyre dressing. And then we're going to go straight in and clean the barrels of the wheels with a wheel willy, which is from the Carbon Collective range. This is obviously a really good brush. I know there's wheel willies out there as well, but it does the job. So we're going to clean the barrels first, get rid of any dirt. Then we're going to rinse that off again, make sure we've got another clean surface to work with. And we're going to prime the surface again with some wheel cleaner, and we're going to use a mitt to get behind the spokes, clean inside, clean all around, clean the face of the wheel as well at the same time. And we're going to keep dipping the mitt into the bucket of water that we've got to make sure it's clean. Then we're going to use a brush to get into the intricate areas, such as where the nuts and bolts are, and we're also going to do the surface of the wheel again, just so we can get any contaminants which have come from behind the spokes. We're then going to rinse that again. I'm going to rinse around the surface as well, and then we're going to go straight in with a fallout remover. Obviously this has not been done since I purchased the car. We're using a Dragon's Breath by Valet Pro, which is a very good bit of kit. And we're going to let that dwell for sort of 3 to 4 minutes, as you can see. Nice little shot here.